Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the Simple Car Guy channel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to register a battery on your BMW. Just like a lot of other manufacturers, BMW has switched over to a smart charging system in order to reduce the CO2 emissions, since the battery is only charged when it's needed. So these cars have an IBS, or an intelligent battery sensor, that monitors the voltage, current, state of charge, temperature, probably a few other things, in order to charge it properly. So the alternator doesn't spin all the time. It only spins when the battery needs to be charged. So that brings us nicely as to why you need to register your battery. If you don't register your battery, the new battery will be overcharged and it will die faster, faster than expected. So in a year or two, you're going to have to put a new battery in. This car is from 2012 and it still has its original battery at the time. So it lasted 8 years. So if they're properly taken care of and registered, the batteries do last a very, very long time. Not only that, not registering the battery can potentially damage some electronic systems within your car. If you were wondering why I'm filming in the back of my cars, well, that's because most BMWs have the batteries in the back. So in this car, you have to pull out this carpet part out of the trunk, and then you have access to the actual battery. You may also need to remove these two bolts and pull this part out as well. I'm not going to do that because in this video I'm not actually going to show you how to replace the battery. I'm only going to show you how to register it. But in order to replace it, if you were replacing it, you remove this brace and then remove each terminal and basically pull the battery out, put the new one in. It's very simple. There's nothing complicated about it. Now if you go to the Z4, it's pretty much the same concept. We're going to take out this carpet piece or this trim, and you have access to your battery. Same thing, you have the little brace you would have to remove. Then you have the negative and positive terminals that you have to remove, replace the battery, put the new one in, replace everything else. Now let's not waste any more of our time. Let's get inside the car and register the battery. We're now sitting in my BMW Z4 E89, but the process should be pretty much the same for any BMW that requires this service. So the hardest part about registering the battery on a BMW is having the correct tools. In this case, I'm going to be using this ANCEL BM700 scan tool. I did a full review on this scanner just a few days ago, so check that out. It can do a lot of cool items on BMWs. But what we're interested in today is registering a battery. So since this scanner can actually do that job for us, we're going to use it. And just be aware that not all BMW scanners can register batteries, so check that before you buy one. This one's about 80-90 bucks right now, which is well worth it, since you'd be paying anywhere from $120 to $140 for a battery registration at the dealer. Now let's get started and get the battery registered. So we're going to go to for BMW option from the main menu. It's giving us a little bit of information. Select BMW, scroll to 4Z series. This is an E89. Special functions. Go all the way down to battery management. It's going to communicate with the car. Here we can evaluate the battery state charge, or we can register a new battery. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to click on register battery change. So it's giving you a bit of information. And it's telling you that the history of the last battery is going to be deleted. Now press OK. So there isn't a record of the last battery that was replaced. Okay, I'm going to press OK. So we can read through the special functions here. Okay. And that's it. We just clicked OK and the battery is registered. So we can do that one more time just so you didn't miss. Click OK. And now it's telling you the last time the battery was reset and the mileage. So this is the miles that I have on the car right now. Well, it's in kilometers, but I'm at like 18,000 miles. So we can do that again. Okay. Battery exchange entered. The battery replacement was successfully entered into your DME, which is your engine ECU basically. Okay, we click OK, and that's it. So the battery is now registered. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. I know it's nothing super complicated, but a lot of people have been asking on how to register a battery on a car like this. So here you go. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.